What's going on? It's contest time at TNB headquarters. So let's see who the winner is from the last contest by picking a number between 1 and 420 with the random number generator. The number is 199. We'll let the winner know you have won by posting on your winning comment. Okay, so now let's do another contest because we love giving back to the community. This contest will be the usual format, and to enter, just visit the TNB Naturals YouTube page and find a video called TNB Naturals, #1 under the sun. And then comment on that video with the number between 1 and 420. This prize pack includes TNB Naturals pH Up, TNB Naturals pH Down, and a nice Weed Map shirt. So this contest runs until October 21st, 2018 at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time and is open to everybody around the world. Good luck and happy growing. Also, please don't miss out on our Canadian Legalization Contest that ends October 17th, 2018. Go enter now. Visit tinyurl.com/TNB Legalize.